Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. InsyaAllah kita akan tengok cara nak jawab soalan task 3. Okay, write the formula of the following simple compound. Okay, basic knowledge you need to know about mass predictable, symbol of element, type of bonding, charge of ion, and some basic knowledge about the formula of phosphoric acid H3PO4 and formula of sulfuric acid H2SO4. So let's see the first question. Lithium iodide. Okay, lithium iodide. What are the symbol for lithium? Capital letter L, small letter I. Iodide. Why we call iodide? Because it's in the form of ions. So in periodic table you will find it iodine. What is symbol for iodine? I. Capital letter I. So lithium iodide, between metal and non-metal, which is ionic compound. So metal will form positive charge. So what are the charge for lithium ion? Positive 1. And what are the charge for iodide? Negative 1. So now we do cross. Value from Li ion will be down here. The value, not the charge. Okay, class? Now, the value from iodide ion will be down here. The value of the charge. Not charge, the value. Negative. 1. Negative 1. So, the value is 1. So, the value down here. So, how to write the formula? So, Li 1. Capital letter I, which is iodide 1. So, lithium iodide will be capital letter I, capital letter L, small letter I, and capital letter I. Lithium iodide. Okay. Easy, right? Okay. So, for sodium oxide. Sodium oxide between metal and non-metal. So, it is ionic compound. So, sodium, symbol for sodium, capital letter N, small letter A. And what the charge for sodium? Positive 1. So, oxide, in periodic table we will find it in the form of element, which is oxygen. So, oxide, what are the oxide in the form of ions? So, what are the charge of ions? Negative 2. So, we do cross. Okay, the value will be down here. What are the value? 1. Okay, we do cross. The value will be down here. The value will be 2. So, we get the formula of compound. Capital letter N, small letter A, which is sodium, and A2, capital letter O for oxide. Okay, sodium oxide. So, boron fluoride. Okay, boron fluoride is covalent compound. Okay, if you still remember how to do the covalent compound, I'll just do very simple way. Boron. What are the electron arrangement for boron? Okay, boron, number of proton for boron is 5. So the electron arrangement will be 2, 3. And fluoride in periodic table will be fluorine. Number of proton 9. So it will be, the electron arrangement will be 2, 7. Okay, so since this is covalent compound, so I'll draw the Lewis structure. B, boron, have 3 valence electron, and fluoride 7. So it needs to share 1 electron. 7, 1, 2. So we change the color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 7 pula. Okay. So, for fluorine. So, fluoride F, bukan so F. For fluoride, have 7 valence electron. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Another F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get the formula BF3. Capital letter B, capital letter F, subscript 3. BF3. Okay. Now, calcium phosphate. So here you need to know some basic knowledge, common knowledge about phosphoric acid. Okay, for example, okay, so how to do it? Phosphoric acid, you must know this H3PO4. So now you know H, what the charge for hydrogen ion? Positive 1, right? And phosphate, PO4. So what are the charge here? We still don't know this. So how to know the charge for phosphate? Okay, since H, we need 3 H to balance with 1 phosphate. We need 3 H to balance with 1 phosphate. How do we know? Here, H have 3 and phosphate 1. So it means H plus need 3 to balance 1 phosphate, means phosphate, the charge of phosphate is -3. That's why 3H needs 1. That's why we need 3 hydrogen ion for 1 phosphate ion. Okay, so now we know the charge for phosphate ion. Okay, so we continue with calcium. Okay, calcium is metal. Calcium, capital letter C, small letter A. So what are the charge for calcium? Positive 2. So we do cross. The value will be down here, and we do cross. The value from phosphate will be down here. Then the value is 3, not negative 3. The value will be 3. So what are the formula? The formula of the compound will be capital letter C, small letter A, subscript 3, and phosphate PO4 bracket. We must have a bracket, and 2 means we have calcium ion have 3. We have 3 calcium ion, and phosphate ion here. Phosphate ion we have 2. That's why we need to bracket. Bracket means this one phosphate ion have 2 phosphate ion. Okay. Next, aluminium hydroxide. So aluminium hydroxide, between metal and non-metal, aluminium ion and hydroxide ion, means this is ionic compound, form ionic bond. So what are the symbol for aluminium? Capital letter A, small letter L. Charge for aluminium, positive. Aluminium positive 3. Okay. And OH, hydroxide ion, negative 1. So we do cross. The value will be down here 3, and the value will be down here 1. So the answer will be AL, capital letter A, small letter L, bracket, capital letter O, capital letter H, tutup bracket, and 3. Okay, magnesium nitrate. Okay. If you are confused about the charge of the nitrate, remember nitric acid. Nitric acid HNO3. Nitric acid. So H is positive 1. So we have 1 H plus. So means since we need to balance 1 H plus and 1 nitrate, means nitrate, the charge of nitrate is negative 1. Okay. So magnesium is a metal, capital letter M, small letter G. So what are the charge for magnesium? Okay. If you are confused about the charge of magnesium, you can refer to periodic table. See the periodic table. So magnesium is in group 2. Okay. Since magnesium in group 2, it will have charge positive 2. So we do cross. Okay, the value will be down here 2. Cross, the value will be down here 1. So we get the formula capital letter M, small letter G, 1, and nitrate. Okay, means 2 bracket. Nitrate N, O, capital letter N, capital letter O, subscript 3, close bracket 2. So we have magnesium ion 1, and nitrate 2. Nitrate we have 2. Okay. So next, sodium sulfate. Okay. So what are the charge for sulfate ion? Okay. So we do same with sulfuric acid. H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. So H, what are the charge of hydrogen ion? Positive 1. So we need 2 hydrogen ion to balance with 1 sulfate ion. So this means sulfate ion have negative 2 charge. Okay. So we get the charge for sulfate ion. So sodium is a metal. What is the symbol for sodium? Capital letter N, small letter A. So if you confused about the charge of the sodium ion, refers to the periodic table. See what are the group of sodium. Sodium in group 1. So it should have positive 1 charge. So we do cross. So the value will be down here. We do cross. The value from sulfate, the charge of sulfate is 2. Okay. So we get the formula capital letter N, small letter A, subscript 2, and S, capital letter S, capital letter O for sodium sulfate. So Na, sodium ion have 2. That's why we write subscript 2, and sulfate ion SO4. Okay. Next. Calcium carbonate. Okay, this one you already heard this one from form 1 until form 3. Calcium carbonate. Calcium Ca, capital letter C, small letter A. Carbonate, what is carbonate? CO3. 2, negative 2. Calcium positive 2. So we do cross. The value down here, the value will be down here. So we get, okay, since we get 2 and 2, okay, so we must do the next step is the simplest ratio. Okay, since these 2, we can do the simplest ratio will be 1, 1. Okay, so we get CaSO4. Okay, potassium chloride. Potassium K chloride Cl minus, positive 1. So 1, 1, so we get KCl. Okay, that's all. Hopes it can help you remember how to do it, and hope you understand.